Hey everyone, welcome back to Camera Lab, your go-to channel for all things vlogging gear. Today, I'm super excited to share the top 11 best cameras for travel vlogging that will take your content to the next level. Whether you're exploring cities, hiking mountains, or capturing everyday adventures, these cameras are perfect for crisp 4K or even stunning 5K footage. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below for price and more info. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest top product reviews. ProVlog 4K Travel Camera. The ProVlog 4K Travel Camera is a compact powerhouse designed for vloggers on the go. Its 4K ultra-high-definition video ensures your travel adventures are captured with crystal clear clarity, while the lightweight design makes it perfect for backpacking or urban explorations. Featuring a flip-up screen and advanced stabilization, you can easily shoot selfies or action scenes without worrying about shaky footage. The battery life is impressive, letting you record for hours, and its intuitive touchscreen makes navigation simple, even for beginners. With built-in Wi-Fi and HDMI output, sharing your content or connecting to other devices is effortless, making it an all-in-one travel companion for every vlogger. VlogMaster 4K Dual Camera. The VlogMaster 4K Dual Camera takes content creation to the next level with its dual lens system. Capture wide-angle landscapes and detailed close-ups simultaneously, giving your vlogs a professional cinematic touch. Its 4K recording and image stabilization ensure smooth, high-quality footage in any environment. Lightweight and travel-friendly, it's easy to carry around on adventures. The touchscreen interface is intuitive, perfect for quick adjustments on the go. With features like slow motion, time-lapse, and Wi-Fi connectivity, sharing your creations is a breeze. If you want versatile, eye-catching videos while traveling, the VlogMaster 4K Dual Camera is a must-have tool for vloggers seeking creativity and convenience. Hoestr 64-megapixel Vlog Camera. The Hoestr 64-megapixel Vlog Camera is ideal for vloggers who demand high-resolution visuals. Its 64-megapixel sensor captures stunning photos and videos with remarkable clarity, perfect for travel and lifestyle content. The camera is compact yet robust, making it easy to carry on long trips. With 4K recording, image stabilization, and multiple shooting modes, your footage will always look professional. The adjustable flip screen allows for selfie shots and vlogging on the move, while Wi-Fi connectivity makes transferring files simple. Whether you're capturing sunsets, city streets, or close-up details, the Hoestr 64-megapixel ensures every moment is beautifully documented in crisp, vivid detail for your audience. TravelShot 4K Vlog Camera. The TravelShot 4K Vlog Camera is perfect for vloggers who want portability without compromising quality. Its 4K video recording captures every travel moment with amazing sharpness, while the built-in stabilization ensures smooth footage even during action-packed adventures. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily in your backpack, making it a great travel companion. The touchscreen display simplifies navigation, allowing quick adjustments while on the move. With features like slow motion, time-lapse, and face tracking, your content will always look professional. Wi-Fi connectivity and microSD support makes transferring videos effortless. TravelShot 4K combines reliability, performance, and convenience for vloggers who want high-quality content anywhere in the world. ProShot 64-megapixel Vlog Camera. The ProShot 64-megapixel Vlog Camera offers incredible photo and video quality in a portable design. Its 64-megapixel sensor delivers crystal clear images, making it perfect for travel photography and daily vlogs. The 4K video capability, combined with advanced stabilization, ensures smooth and professional-looking footage every time. Lightweight and compact, it's ideal for carrying around on long trips or city explorations. The flip-up screen allows easy selfie vlogging, while Wi-Fi and HDMI support make sharing content simple. With a variety of shooting modes and intuitive controls, the ProShot 64-megapixel empowers vloggers to create stunning content effortlessly, making it a top choice for travel enthusiasts and content creators alike. VlogEase 4K Travel Camera. The VlogEase 4K Travel Camera is designed for hassle-free, high-quality vlogging on the go. With 4K recording and built-in stabilization, you can capture smooth, detailed footage even while moving. Its compact design makes it easy to carry during hiking, sightseeing, or city adventures. The flip screen is perfect for selfie vlogs, and the touchscreen interface allows for easy navigation. Additional features like slow motion, time-lapse, and face detection elevate your content effortlessly. With Wi-Fi and HDMI connectivity, sharing videos is quick and seamless. VlogEase 4K is a reliable and versatile camera for travel vloggers who want professional results without bulky equipment. Liytifor 5K Vlog Camera. The Liytifor 5K Vlog Camera takes your travel vlogs to the next level with stunning 5K video resolution. Capture every detail, from cityscapes to nature scenes, with breathtaking clarity. Its lightweight design makes it perfect for on-the-go filming, and the flip screen allows for easy selfie shots. Advanced image stabilization ensures smooth footage, while slow motion and time-lapse options expand your creative possibilities. With built-in Wi-Fi and HDMI support, sharing your content is fast and convenient. Whether you're a beginner or experienced vlogger, the Liytifor 5K provides a professional experience in a compact package, making it an essential tool for travel adventures. TravelView 4K Vlog Camera. The TravelView 4K Vlog Camera is an ideal choice for vloggers seeking clarity and portability. Record sharp 4K videos with smooth stabilization, ensuring your adventures are captured perfectly. Its lightweight, compact design makes it easy to carry during travel, while the flip screen enables hassle-free selfie vlogging. Features like time-lapse, slow motion, and face detection give you creative flexibility. With built-in Wi-Fi and microSD compatibility, sharing your content is simple and fast. TravelView 4K combines portability, versatility, and quality, making it a reliable companion for travelers who want professional-looking vlogs without bulky equipment or complicated setups. UltraShot 5K Vlog Camera. The UltraShot 5K Vlog Camera is perfect for vloggers who want exceptional video and image quality. Its 5K recording captures every scene in incredible detail, making landscapes and city shots look stunning. The camera features advanced stabilization, ensuring smooth footage even during active travel. Lightweight and compact, it's ideal for carrying on trips without adding bulk. A flip-up screen makes selfie vlogging and framing easy, while multiple shooting modes allow creativity on the go. With Wi-Fi connectivity, sharing videos is quick, and microSD support ensures ample storage. UltraShot 5K is a powerful, portable option for vloggers who want professional results everywhere. Ordro 4K Vlog Camera. The Ordro 4K Vlog Camera delivers impressive 4K quality in a compact, user-friendly package. Its built-in stabilization ensures smooth video even during movement, making it perfect for travel vlogs. Lightweight and easy to carry, it fits seamlessly into any adventure setup. The flip screen allows for effortless selfies and vlogging, while the intuitive interface simplifies operation. Features like slow motion, time-lapse, and face detection enhance creative options. With Wi-Fi and HDMI support, sharing your content is fast and convenient. Ordro 4K combines portability, reliability, and performance, making it an excellent choice for vloggers looking to capture their journeys with high-quality footage. 4K VlogPro Travel Camera. The 4K VlogPro travel camera is a must-have for travel vloggers seeking sharp video and portability. Its 4K recording and advanced stabilization ensures smooth, professional quality footage in any environment. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for carrying on hikes, city tours, or international trips. The flip-up screen allows for easy vlogging and selfie shots, while intuitive controls make operations simple. Additional features like slow motion, time-lapse, and face detection expand creative possibilities. Wi-Fi and microSD compatibility make sharing and storing videos effortless. 4K VlogPro combines performance, portability, and versatility, making it a reliable companion for vloggers who want stunning footage anywhere they go. Thanks for watching our roundup of the top 11 best cameras for travel vlogging. I hope this list helps you find the perfect camera to elevate your content and capture every adventure in stunning detail. Don't forget to check the links in the description for prices and more information on each camera. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to CameraLab, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest top product reviews and gear recommendations for creators.